Hi, this is Hank Hanegraaff, president of the Christian Research Institute and host of the Bible Answer Man broadcast with another Hank Unplugged short. Early this morning, I was reading an article titled In Defense of Motherhood by Cole Aronson. In the article, he talks about how the Department of Health and Human Services has replaced the moniker mothers with the phrase, you ready for this? Birthing people. In other words, a biological reality distinctive to mothers is in process of erasure. It isn't enough that biological males now compete against females in arenas such as sports. Now distinctives of biological females are being disparaged via new linguistic mandates. Make no mistake, to be a mother must never be confused with being a quote-unquote birthing person. Indeed, motherhood does not begin with birth to begin with. It begins when a child is biologically conceived, knit together in their mother's womb, fearfully and wonderfully made. To minimize motherhood through the vehicle of linguistic subversion is to take a leap into the dark rather than to proceed forward as a step into more and more light in an age of scientific enlightenment. Martin Luther King Jr. was right when he said, "Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that really matter." So long for now.